Today, we're exploring a custom-built Mississippi estate where trophy hunting, fishing, and luxury all come together. Welcome to Serenity Timbers Estate, an exceptional 100-plus acre property designed for those who appreciate both refined craftsmanship and the outdoors. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice this isn't just a beautiful home sitting on acreage. Soaring cathedral ceilings with exposed beams create an impressive first impression, while premium cabinetry, flooring, woodwork, fixtures, and high-end appliances showcase outstanding attention to detail. The open-concept living room flows effortlessly into the gourmet kitchen, where you'll find beautiful custom cabinetry, elegant finishes, and a hidden walk-in pantry that blends seamlessly into the design. The primary suite offers a peaceful retreat after a day outdoors, featuring oversized his and hers walk-in closets and a spa-inspired bathroom, complete with a soaking tub and a spacious walk-in shower. 2 additional guest bedrooms each include their own private bathrooms, providing exceptional comfort and privacy. Beyond the main living space, you'll also find a massive drive-through garage with 4 roll-up doors, custom shop cabinetry, a heated and cooled music room that could easily serve as an office or studio, plus a heated and cooled 450-square-foot bunk room above. Stepping outside is where Serenity Timbers Estate truly comes alive. The home overlooks a beautiful stocked pond, with its own water source, a covered pier, and even a covered shooting range. Throughout the 100-plus acres, miles of groomed trails connect multiple food plots, feeders, and box stands, creating an outstanding recreational property. A sandy-bottom year-round creek winds across the land, providing exceptional habitat for trophy-class whitetail deer, wild turkey, and countless other native wildlife. Whether you're looking for a private family estate, a luxury hunting retreat, or a property where you can enjoy fishing, trail riding, and outdoor adventures without ever leaving home, Serenity Timbers Estate delivers on every level. Combining custom craftsmanship, outstanding recreational amenities, carefully managed wildlife habitat, and the privacy of 100-plus acres, this remarkable Mississippi property offers an opportunity that's incredibly difficult to find in today's market.